Okay, very important exercise. In this exercise you will have 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks problems in this exercise. So it's a very important exercise. Exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 trigonometry. Okay, now in this first I will explain very important problem number 10. Okay, very important problem number 10. So question, what having, listen the question here. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So first see here, first I will write given value. Given what? Given that what given here? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Okay, to prove, what I have to prove in this one? Cos theta is equals to
k square minus 1
k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, I have to prove cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, I have the value cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. So what I will do means just I will interchange LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. Means I will take this value as cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, having that I will use this value as k is equals to, I will use that value as k is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, I will use the value of k is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Means RHS to LHS I will find. Here also RHS to LHS I will find the solution. Okay, so let's see proof. Okay, given k is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, now see in question RHS. See RHS having k square having, but I have only k. Okay, I have only k. Now change this k into k square. How can we change? By squaring on both sides. By squaring on both sides. So k square is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. Okay, k square is equals to means just I kept squaring on both sides. Now see, this is in the form of algebraic expression formula a plus b whole square. Okay, formula is what? A plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula. Now see here, the value of a equal to how much? Cosec theta, and the value of b equal to how much? Cot theta. Now change in that formula here. K square LHS as it is, right? K square is equals to, now change. Okay, a plus b whole square. First I want a square means cosec theta square or cosec square theta. A square plus b square means cot square theta plus 2. A value is cosec theta and b value is cot theta. I got the value of k square over. Okay, I got value of k square. Now let's take RHS. What I have to prove here? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to cos theta. I have to prove. So let's use that RHS value. RHS, I am using RHS. RHS value what I have here? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So let's apply the values k square. I have full value of k square. Substitute k square is equals to cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. And here see minus 1 also having that minus 1. So keep this minus 1 as it is divided by Then once again k square only in denominator. K square means just substitute cosec square theta plus
cot square theta.
yeah cot square theta plus 2
Cosec theta.
cosec theta into
Cot theta.
cot theta. Finished? Then having what? Plus
Plus
1
one.
also. Okay, here having this plus 1. Add this plus 1 here. Any doubts up to now? Okay, so here see, in simplification, this one is completed. I can't do anything now, and I can't cancel also numerator and denominator because having plus and minus signs. In multiplication means I can cancel, but I can't cancel plus or minus signs having. So in cosec and cot theta, in cosec and cot, having any identity, any formula, having. Okay, already I said previous. CC having one formula. CC cameras I said. Okay, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1 having. So, but where we have to keep this cosec square theta minus cot square theta where is equal to 1? Where having? Here having plus signs, not having minus signs. So I can't keep in the place of 1 here. Okay, keep RHS to LHS. Okay, so formula I am writing here. That formula is CC means cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Now substitute all values, write as it is here. What the values having? Write all values. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta minus. Okay, minus having. So what here you have to apply the brackets. Keep the brackets because of having minus and that two values having. So in the place of 1 substitute the formula. 1 is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Keep cosec square theta minus
Cot square theta.
cot square theta. Any doubts? Just in the place of 1 substituted the formula. 1 is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. In related cosec and cot only you have to keep. Don't take other formulas because just in this relation only take here. Okay, is divided by, right, same as it is cosec square theta plus
Cot square theta.
cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Then here plus and having here plus 1 there. 1 means substitute same formula. Cosec square theta minus
Cot square theta.
cot square theta. If you want to keep the brackets means keep, otherwise don't keep because you are having plus. If plus sign will be there means signs will not change. Minus having means definitely you have to change the signs. Okay, signs you have to change. If minus having also at the brackets means. Okay, plus will be changes as minus and minus will changes as plus. Remember, yeah. Okay. Then next, write all values as it is. That means
Cosec square theta.
cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2
Cosec theta into cot theta.
cosec theta into cot theta. Then see here minus having, and here inside what the sign having here? Plus.
Plus.
So plus will changes as minus cosec square theta, and here minus having, minus will changes as plus cot square theta. See, minus into plus, minus into minus.
Plus.
Any doubts? Is divided by, write all as it is. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Then here see, sign what having? So don't change the signs. Plus into plus, plus only here. Cosec square theta. Plus into minus, minus
Cot
cot square theta. Any doubts up to here? Then next step, same values with opposite signs means plus cosec square theta minus cosec square theta cancel. Same values with opposite signs plus cot square theta minus cot square theta cancel. Then next one, listen. Here having plus cot square theta plus cot square theta. Plus cot square theta plus cot square theta is equal to how many cot square thetas? 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta divided by Here see. Cosec square theta, cosec square theta. How many cosec square theta is having? 2 cosec square theta plus remaining is what? 2 cosec theta into
Cot theta.
cot theta. Okay. Now see, 2 cot square theta having cot square means may I write this cot square as 2 cot theta into cot theta, may I write?
Yes, sir.
Then plus 2
Cosec.
cosec theta into
Cot
cot theta is divided by cosec square having cosec square means take 2 times 2 into cosec theta into cosec theta. Any doubts? Write this as it is here. 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Then next step. In this, what is common? Common what having? Common is here 2 having common. The next one here see. Cot theta, cot theta. Common having here. So let's take 2 cot theta as common. Remaining what having in this?
Cot theta.
Cot theta plus 2 cot theta already I taken common. Remaining what having? Remaining is only cosec because 2 is outside. Common. Okay, is divided by. In this also see now 2 and
Cosec.
cosec theta is common. So let's take 2 cosec theta as common. Remaining what having in this first?
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta plus the next is cot theta. The next one 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2 equals to, say the answer, say loudly, 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 1 equals to,
3.
understand? Okay, in addition 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, both the answers getting same only here. So let's see, cot theta plus cosec theta plus cot theta, both are same. In division I can cancel. Okay, both are dividing here, so cancel. The next one 2 ones are 2 ones are, this one also cancel. The remaining what having? Cot theta by cosec theta is remaining. Here I am means here see here. Okay, remaining cot theta by cosec theta. Okay, cot theta by cosec theta. We know the formula of cot theta. Cot theta formula what having? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Having formula, cot theta formula is what? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Main LCM.
Yes, sir.
Okay, main dividing line. Cosec theta formula is what? 1 by
Sin theta.
sin theta. Any doubts? Then next step. Now see, this is numerator and this is denominator. This is the main LCM line. So this is in denominator and this is
Numerator.
so denominator and numerator cancel. So remaining cos by 1 is equals to over. So therefore k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equals to what I got answer. So therefore RHS is equals to LHS or LHS equals to RHS. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can clarify your doubts or comment me. See one step. Very important problem for 6 marks. Very important, yeah, very important.